Okay, a lot of people have been asking me about this. This is the Drifta 1.2 metre rooftop tent. It comes from Drifta Stockton. I bought it from the one in Slacks Creek in Brisbane. And I'm going to show everybody just how easy it is to put this up. First things first, we've got to grab the ladder, take it out of the bag and put it there. Next thing we want to do, we just want to open the lid up a bit. See how that's putting that up itself? And then we extend the mighty ladder and hook it in here. Just take a little bit extra care to make sure this is away from the car. I'll put this bit of pipe in here. Come a bit closer. I'll put this bit of pipe in here to keep the ladder away from the car. Right, now, go back. Right, so now we're going to deploy the tent, right, by grabbing this arm in here and pulling it out. And there you have it. It's as quick as that. Open her up inside. And then bring it up here. You've got, oh, you can't really see it. You've got this arm inside here. Open it right up. And there you have it. It takes about 60 seconds to deploy. And looks like that. Now with the tent deployed, you can see just how low a profile it does have when it's on your roof. They're being sold at the moment for about $2,800, coming with the ladder upgrade. So that's the extra tread on the ladder here. You can see that there. Yeah, so all in all, 60 seconds, you're done. And I like that because I'm lazy. Another thing worth mentioning is that inside here is a handy LED strip. You can't really see it, but it's up the top there. You can, and you got these handy bags here to put your shoes in, so you don't have to have wet thongs up the top of your tent. Now, with the last lot of rain we had when I was out at Uluru, not one drop of water come inside the tent, which was really useful. So it's also worth mentioning I've got this tent mounted on a 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. But overall, I'm very impressed with the performance, the price and the comfort.